guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a hair keratin for high porosity hair. So first of all, what does it mean to have a high porosity hair? Now, a high porosity hair refers to a hair that has gaps, holes, or lifted cuticles in its outer layer, which allows moisture to enter and exit the hair shaft easily. Now, this type of hair is often the result of damage from chemical treatments like coloring or perming, excessive heat styling, environmental factors. Alright, so having said that, what are the characteristics of high porosity hair? Okay, so first of all, your hair absorbs moisture quickly, it is prone to frizz, it is dry and brittle, and it tangles easily. So if your hair type is exactly how I describe it, then here's a hair keratin that you guys can follow. Alright, so let's begin. Of course, number one is cleansing. Now, if you have high porosity hair, it's good to use sulfate-free shampoos or moisturizing shampoos. Now, use a moisturizing or sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse the hair without stripping away natural oils. Now, look for shampoos that contains either aloe vera, or it contains shea butter, or any kinds of oils like avocado oils or coconut oils. And also consider co-washing. Now, co-washing is simply using conditioner instead of shampoo. All right, number two, if you have high porosity hair, you must never skip this, and that is conditioning. You must condition your hair. Now, it is best to use any deep conditioner of your choice and use that once a week or even twice a week. You could also look for products with proteins like keratin or silk proteins or any moisturizing ingredients to help strengthen the hair and reduce breakage. Now, you can also incorporate protein treatments in your hair, such as the keratin treatment, just once a month to fill in the gaps in the hair cuticles to strengthen the strands. But however though, I may warn you once again, do not overdose on protein treatments. They're really good to use in your hair, but if you use a lot, it can actually cause or make your hair brittle. As I've said, you can use this once a month or twice a month or as needed. All right, number three is moisturizing. Now, after washing, you can go ahead and apply a leave-in conditioner on your hair, specifically products that provides moisture and conditioning. Now, you can choose one with ingredients like glycerin, aloe vera, and any moisturizing creams. Now, look for products that contains either shea butter, mango butter, or avocado oil. All right, number four is sealing. Now, seal in moisture with heavy oils like castor oil, olive oil, or shea butter. Now, these oils actually help to prevent moisture loss by forming a protective barrier over the hair. Now, use the LOC or the liquid oil cream or liquid cream oil method to layer products for maximum moisture retention. Now, start with a liquid like water or a leave-in conditioner and then apply oil and then followed by a cream or butter. And of course, number five, you can't miss out on this, and that is to actually wear protective styles or hairstyle. Now, you could either go for your usual braids, buns, or hair twists to minimize manipulation or reduce breakage. And of course, minimize your heat usage. And if you're ever going to use heat on your hair, don't forget to use a heat protectant on your hair. And it's actually so much better if you could just avoid heat altogether on your hair. If you can do that, that would be so much better for your hair. All right, number six is night care. Use a silk or a satin pillowcase, and then what you can do is you wrap your hair in the silk cap, a bonnet, or a scarf. It really depends on you guys, on what you have. At night when you sleep to reduce friction and moisture loss. Now, it's also good to moisture and seal. So basically before bed, lightly mist your hair with water or any leave-in spray that you guys have. Then seal it with an oil or butter to maintain moisture overnight. And number seven is to consider regular trims. I think this is pretty much self-explanatory, but it is best to have your ends trim at least 6 to 8 weeks to help remove split ends and prevent them from traveling up the hair shaft, which can lead to further damage. All right, number eight, avoid over manipulation. So handle your hair with care. So that means avoid brushing your hair too much or excessively combing your hair. And if you're ever gonna comb your hair, as I've said before, use a wide tooth comb and start from the bottom and then work your way up, just so that you don't break your hair, especially if your hair is tangled or it has knots. Consider using wide tooth comb or those wet brushes that actually has flexible or bendy bristles, just so that it doesn't rip your hair off. That would cause further split ends or breakage. Or what you can do also is finger comb your hair first before brushing it if you don't have a wide tooth comb. Now, lastly is hydration. Now, this is something that I personally am reminding myself to do, and that is to simply drink water. Okay, drink water. Now, hydration starts from within, so make sure that you're drinking plenty of water to support your hair's health. Now, by focusing on moisture retention, protein balance, and gentle care, you can surely improve the condition of your hair and appearance if you have high porosity hair. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it to a friend who have high porosity hair. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.